Today, we're going to talk about how to use Canva for free to make money. If you're a freelancer, whether it's part-time or full-time, you probably have a range of go-to tools that help you to get to as many gigs as fast as possible. These tools probably help you make as much money as you can throughout the day. Some of these tools cost you a pretty penny and are invaluable to your daily rotation. However, for those who are starting out, $1,000 for Adobe's full suite isn't exactly going to cut it, and maybe a program like GIMP is a little too robust for your average needs. If you find yourself in a position where you simply cannot afford higher-end tools and equipment to do graphics work, but still want to make a quick buck, there's a perfect solution for you. Canva is a free web-based editing program that lets you create anything from logos to short video clips in just a few clicks. The only thing required is creativity. With Canva, your basic Fiverr gig is no match for the tools at your disposal. In this article, I'm going to be going over some of the ways you can use Canva to make money online, even if you don't have high-end graphic design skills. Namely, we're going to talk about 3 main types of Canva templates that are the most frequently used: Facebook post, YouTube video, and infographic. We're going to talk a little bit about each one and how to use these templates. By the end of this article, you should have a strong grasp on how to use Canva to make money online. Without further delay, let's get into it. Getting started on Canva. When you start off in Canva, you're met with the home screen. Here you can select through some recommended options or templates you've created yourself. There are several tabs recommended for social media and other things that make it easy to get started. If you want a blank canvas to choose from in a variety of sizes and formats, look to your upper right. There's a purple button that says Create a Design. Clicking this will bring up a variety of options, including some suggested choices based on your past activity. You also have the option of choosing a custom size of any dimension or uploading a picture and using it as the basis for your work. If you type what you're looking for in search, your specific query will narrow down the choices. To start, let's type in Facebook post. Facebook post. To start, you're given a suggestion of templates titled For You. If you want, you can choose one of these templates for a simple and quick piece of content. Or you can start with a blank canvas and choose your own elements. Let's do the blank canvas so you guys can see what kind of options you have. To your furthest left bar, you're going to have a ton of options. I'm not going to go through all of them, just the ones you're most likely to use. Let's start with uploads. Uploads. First off, you're always going to have your handy search bar up top, and that's going to help you out tremendously when it comes to brainstorming. You can upload anything you want, as long as it's a media file. You even have the option to upload your own video clips and put text and elements over them. Photos. Here you can search among hundreds of thousands of stock images to add to your content. No worries on DMCA or royalty claims. You also have the option of editing the photos to make them work with your vision. This includes things such as cropping, removing backgrounds, or making them black and white. They also have a variety of effects that you can apply. Elements. Elements allow you to add things such as emojis, stickers, and graphics to your work to make it stand out even more. You're going to be in here quite a bit if you plan to make memes or infographics. The magic recommendations box will give you even more ideas based on the context of what you've been doing so far on the project. Text. Text, as the name implies, is centered around the typography within your content. You can add basic impact style headers, subheaders, and normal size text. You also have the option to choose between hundreds of unique fonts, which are even more customizable with Canva's built-in effects editor. Built-in effects editor. Videos. Like to stand out on social media? Use Canva's video section and get access to a bunch of royalty-free clips that'll take your post to the next level. You could drag, drop, and even stretch the size of the videos on the fly. This is probably one that I could see a lot of people taking advantage of. Back to Facebook posts. Okay, now that we're acquainted with the features, you have to agree, this example looks terrible. Let me just rearrange some things a bit here so that we have something a bit more useful. Move this over here and that over there. Crap, wrong photo. You know what? I'm just gonna leave it. This is a post that will get likes. Thanks, Canva. See how easy it is to make simple content like this with Canva? Okay, let's move on to the other two formats. YouTube video. For me, I personally prefer to use this for my video intros or shorter clips, rather than seeing it as a full-blown video editor. It is not. When I find myself far too lazy to turn all of the dials and knobs required for my big boy video editor, but I need to slap some impact text over a clip of monkey, I use this. Infographic, 800 by 200 pixels. The affiliate order presents infographics. This one is actually my favorite. Easy. Infographics are insanely easy in Canva. Even if you don't elect to use many templates available, it's still very satisfying to make your own. Usually, when I want to switch up my content from walls of text, I whip out Canva and create an infographic to complement my article. Infographics are very popular on the internet these days, and publications such as Cracked will very easily pay upwards of $200 for a quality infographic. If you ask me, that's a great trade. Spend a few hours in Canva creating a quality infographic, get paid $200 for the trouble. Sounds like you've made it as a freelancer if you're pulling off things like that. How can I use these skills to make money? We reached the crux of the matter. We can take these skills and go on websites like Fiverr to advertise them. Fiverr is a great marketplace for beginners. It definitely is not going to make you rich, but if you're looking for a quick $10 here or there, Fiverr is great for getting that odd client. Upwork seems to be a favorite of many, but it's not my favorite. My favorite place to go to get work is good old Craigslist. They have their own gig section, and people are always looking for graphic artists. Another place you can flex your newfound abilities is 99 Designs. They offer more of a contest style submission, so it's a great place to see if your work compares to others in your skill range and pay demands. People Per Hour is another great website for graphic designers. If you want the most success, I suggest you get an Excel spreadsheet and list about 3 or 4 websites you really like. Conclusion. Though it may sometimes seem like it's difficult to find ways to make money online, the affiliate order has your back. There's always a way to get around the expensive requirements that many find to be the biggest turnoff to becoming a freelancer. Thinking of ways of how to use Canva for free to make money is just one of the many more ways you can make money as a freelancer in the online world. Hopefully you got a bit more knowledge about what Canva is, how it works, and how it's making a lot of freelancers money right now. Did you like this article? What did you like most about it? Do you have any tips or tricks on using Canva you want to share? Leave a comment below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our mailing list for your free ebooks on how to make money online. This is Arviell Simmons with the Affiliate Order. Take care for now.